Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day. It's Von Edward Payne, and today we are inside Olanggo Island camping site or campsite. So, since we were able to secure the place or a place to stay last night, we were able to camp here yesterday in Morning View. Right now, it's perfect for campers. Like, if you can just see the view, people are just waking up. They're about to start their day. As you can see on our background right now, there are lots of happy campers. Lots of activities during nighttime. Right across the campsite on that area will be a long stretch of shoreline in which since it's morning, it's low tide, so sea level right now is pretty low, so the water is way too far from the shoreline. But last night actually the sea level is very high that even the water reach this side of the area. And as we walk into the shoreline, people right now are preparing for their breakfast. So we will be checking our teammates right now to check so that we can have some ample time before we roam around Olanggo Island. We'll have our breakfast. Say, this would be the main entrance for the Pag-utlan campsite. People are preparing for their breakfast. This will be the store where just right across the campsite, which is that area, we are preparing our breakfast, and people are already lining in. Okay. And just right across the camping site, you can rent some bicycles for your day tour in Olanggo. So that's the area we were able to secure our breakfast. then we will be heading now back to the campsite. So that's the main entrance, and that's the stretch going to the other places here in Olanggo, going to the San Vicente Marine Sanctuary, and also they have bird sanctuary. Some of them just woke up. Ulan gabi ba? What you do? Hello. Hi. Oh. I will be showing you how the tourism is starting to go back after pandemic. Okay, so here's going to be the main entrance to the Pag-utlan campsite. So the entrance fee would be 10 pesos, then that's overnight camping, 100 pesos per head. So you have to book in your reservations first on their social media page, so that you'll be able to rent one of the tents here. So you can, activities that you can do here, you can do surfing. At the same time, you can have camping during day use. And also here's their camping rules. So this will be the actual campsite on the area. Alright, so showing you the actual campsite during daytime. So lots of people are coming here already. The place is already been booked, especially during weekends. So you really have to book your reservation first on Pag-utlan campsite on their social media page on Facebook. And at the same time, since the rules is that you have to have a reservation first, but then if you weren't able to secure a reservation, then all you have to do is make sure to bring a tent with you, so that you can go to their you can go through or past the entrance, and then below the camping site, which will be the actual shoreline. So let me show you to the B-roll. The actual shoreline, as you can see, where kids can, you know, play, enjoy. And then also that area there, you can see the mangroves. And then so you can just, you know, choose your designated place where if you decide to camp. But it's much more, the ambience is much more nice during nighttime or overnight use. So you have just to pay their overnight use, and then you can set up your camping tents. Alrighty, the place is quite good. The sand is actually white, and then all you have to do is, you know, settle down. You know, you can always bring foods. There is no corkage fee for that, so you can do some activities here like team building. People are already camping in, they are really busy.